In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate TikTok with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have TikTok connected to your GoHighLevel sub-account, so you can capture leads from TikTok lead ads or manage TikTok messages right inside your CRM. To start, sign in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the correct location with the permissions to modify integrations. If you manage multiple locations, double-check you've selected the one that should receive your TikTok leads or messages. Once you're in the right place, head to Settings. This is your command center for all account-level configurations, and it's where integrations live. Inside Settings, open the Integrations area. You'll see options for various platforms. Look for the TikTok section. Here, you'll choose between TikTok lead ads and TikTok messaging. Pick TikTok lead ads if your goal is to bring form submissions from TikTok directly into your pipelines and automations. Choose TikTok messaging if you want to receive and reply to TikTok direct messages from GoHighLevel's Conversations inbox. You can connect one or both, depending on your needs. Next, click Connect. GoHighLevel will open a secure TikTok authorization window. If this is your first time connecting, sign in to your TikTok business account. Confirm that you're using the account that owns the ad assets or messaging access you plan to manage. When prompted, review the requested permissions and approve. These permissions allow GoHighLevel to sync leads or messages on your behalf. Nothing is shared publicly. After the connection completes, GoHighLevel will confirm the status. You should see TikTok listed as connected. If you manage multiple ad accounts or pages under your TikTok business setup, ensure the correct one is associated in the connection details so your data routes to the right sub-account. With the connection in place, you can enable TikTok messaging. Turn on the toggle to start syncing new messages into the Conversations inbox. This helps your team respond faster, track conversations alongside SMS and email, and keep everything in one place. If you also connected TikTok lead ads, new submissions will appear in your contacts and can immediately flow into your existing pipelines and workflows. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use a desktop browser for the initial connection, allow pop-ups during the authorization step, and verify you're logged into the correct TikTok profile before approving. If you ever need to switch accounts or review permissions, you can return to the integration screen and manage the connection from there. That's it. You've integrated TikTok with GoHighLevel, and you're ready to manage leads and messages without leaving your CRM.